Monire mosa. Tampokererani. My name is Loren Masia Mponera. On this channel, I support you to learn Chitumbuka. Chitumbuka is a language that we speak mainly in the northern part of Malawi, but also other countries in Africa like Zambia, Tanzania, and places like that. So in this video, we are looking at the language of the soldier. Without wasting much of your time, let's get right. Okay, so like we said, we are looking at the army, language of the soldier. So soldier wa army, oru, msirikali wa nkhondo. Nkhondo means war. Msirikali, we can say on its own msirikali, which means a soldier. Or msirikali wa nkhondo, it's the same, msirikali wa nkhondo. So this is Chirumba is the area where I come from. We have what they call Chirumba Garrison. It's a base for the army. So I guess this is why even my subconscious mind reminded me of for me to make a video around the army, because where we come from, the army is right in my village. They have a base there. So marching kuguba. When they are marching, we call that kuguba. But army or guba, meaning they are marching. Salute. Sawacha ya ulemu. Sawacha ya nchindi. So nchindi is respect. Sawacha is salute. So you say sawacha yin ma mom. Sawacha yin ma dad. Meaning I salute you mom. I salute you father. A gun, futi. What you put inside the gun is called viporoporo, but you can also call gun as viporoporo. But the actual gun is futi. Shooting. Kutimba futi. So kutimba means hitting, but in this case, it also means shooting the gun. You're saying watimba foot, wachaya foot. So kuchaya, kutimba. You can use either kuchaya futi, kutimba futi. A defense, chitetezo. But the correct spelling should be ZGO, because without G, then that becomes chichewa. But this is Chitumbuka channel, right? So it's my mistake. Chitetejo. Enforcing law and order, wakumisha malamulo, wakuendesha malamulo, wakwanilisha malamulo. It's all about enforcing law and order in the country. The army is a no-nonsense. So meaning wosekerera vyawaka yai. They don't smile for things that are not making sense. It's like they are no-nonsense. So in my language would say, wa army, hey. Kusekerera vyawaka yai. Vyawaka means useless. So kusekerera means smiling. So it means they don't smile at useless things, meaning they are very serious. Or most recent or the street language of it is wogavama sweet cha. Sweet is sweets. So we say the army doesn't dish sweets. It's always serious business. Yeah. Okay. So this was it was meant to be a short video. Let me stop share. And that's it, really. So this video is video number, is it 20 or 21? But yeah, we started on the 26th. Today is the 15th, 27, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31. 6 plus 15, 21. Okay, yeah. So today, this video is number 21, which is coming out today on 15th of February. So we have a long way to go, because we are on a journey to making 90 videos in 90 days, one video a day. So I hope you stick with me. Thank you very much. Taonga chomene. Continue watching content here so you can learn more, because I want probably sometime we will meet. You never know, because they say nobody knows about tomorrow. Then we can speak in Chitumbuka to each other. Wouldn't that be nice? Naruto. Yeah, yeah. Bye.